The sun set over the quiet farm. A weathered farmer heard a donkey's bray. He rushed and found his donkey trapped in an old dried well. The donkey was stuck in an old abandoned well. The well was deep with rough stone walls. The farmer's heart sank at the sight. The donkey was old and looked helpless. "This may be the end," he whispered. The farmer decided to fill the well. He gathered neighbors to help shovel. Dirt hit the donkey's back initially. The donkey screeched, realizing their plan. The farmer paused, his conscience troubled. "It's for the best," he convinced himself. Suddenly, the donkey's cries ceased. The farmer peered down, expecting despair. Instead, he saw resilience from below. The donkey shook off the dirt steadily. Each shake became a step up. Dirt poured, meant for burial, lifted him. Neighbors observed his determined rise. Awe replaced their earlier intentions. The donkey's fear turned into determination. "You're not ready to give up," the farmer said. The donkey reached the well's rim. He stepped out onto grassy ground. Freedom marked his escape from the trap. He trotted off into the sunset freely. The farmer stood in newfound understanding. An ending became a new beginning. Life's challenges might lift you higher. Shake off and step up to transform.